Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'd like to show you a new feature we have added to our latest project, the Ukrainian Soldier Configurator. It is a character customization system that works directly inside the Unreal Engine editor. If you have used our modular characters before, you are probably already familiar with our in-game customization system. It allows you to create and modify characters quickly and easily. The system works very simple. All customization settings are stored in a save file. When the level starts, the save file is loaded and the saved customization settings are applied to the character. This approach works perfectly when you want to let players customize their characters in-game. However, when you needed to customize a character directly in the editor, the process used to be much slower. You had to adjust exposed parameters one by one, search for the correct variables, and manually tweak shapes, colors, or module settings. With our new in-editor customization system, that workflow is now a thing of the past. Customizing characters in the editor is now just as simple and convenient as using the in-game customization system, and even better. You can now customize multiple characters in the level at the same time. So let's see how it works. To launch the in-editor customization system, open the editor folder in the project. Inside it, find the file called EUB in-editor customization. Right-click on it and select Run Editor Utility widget. This will open the customization window. Just like any other Unreal Engine panel, you can dock it anywhere in the interface. Now simply select the character you want to customize and start adjusting the settings. The in-editor customization system includes all the same features available in the in-game version. Let us start with the randomizer. Now let's try switching body part modules. You can cycle through body part modules for all selected characters at once. The same goes for patterns. As you can see, colors can also be customized for all selected characters at once. This customization system lets you customize facial morphs, hair, weathering, and dirt levels. There is also a brand new feature, wind effect customization, but we'll cover that in a separate video. Thank you for your time and see you later.